All right, guys, we're on a hardwood job. As you can see, we're in Grafton, Illinois. Got the van out there parked in front. And we're doing some hardwood floors for a hotel in Grafton that just bought this place. They were redoing it, and they wanted to keep the hardwood floors intact because the character. And it's been aged, beat up. And we came out and did a demo. We removed all the filth, and then this was, it was good under there. And they were excited about that. So we're gonna remove the film, the gunk, the funk, the grease, and then we're gonna screen recoat it to make these floors look improved. This is a commercial setting. So they didn't want perfect. They want to have the character, but they want the floors to look improved, so have a nice wear layer. You can just see, all the contamination. So, and they saw that we had other success in a commercial setting for hardwood for the other place we did a couple months ago in Solar, Illinois, or Solar, Missouri. And now we're here to do Grafton. So we got Jerry in the scene. We got this other floor here to do. So basically, guys, what we're gonna do is remove this soil load and the grease, the film, and then here's the other area we're doing. Just beat up real good. And he's taping off to protect herself. We got the lighting set up. Then after that, we're gonna get all this wear layer off. Smooth like butter. Need a localized good.
It's helping.
Oh yeah.
Can't get it 100%, but we can get it pretty good.
All right, guys, this is the first coat. Looking good. Feel good.
Just look how great these hardwood floors are turning out. Done in one day, sandless option. Client is going to love it.
All right, guys, that is the first coat. It's gonna satin out and look beautiful. And we're gonna take off, grab some lunch, come back in 2 hours and put the second coat. We knocked this out of the park, guys. They are blown away. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we're back. Look at this beautiful floor. Done one day. We got all the grease off that was caked on and got the satin sheen on there, only the first coat, and it looks amazing. Even my guy Jerry's like, he couldn't believe how good it turned out. But 9-day difference, guys. We'll show you this other area over here. Beautiful bar. We were noticing all the detail in this wooden bar from the 1800s. Stunning. But, as wood guys, we notice the wood. But look at this, guys. Beautiful satin sheen. No odor. Same day service. Sandless. Got all the soil off, got all the dirt, the caked on grease, removed it, satin coat of polyurethane. They are stunned. That's what we do, AOCleaning.com.
Hi, I'm Tony from the Ruebel Hotel in Grafton, Illinois. I just wanted to say thank you very much to Ryan and his team with AOCleaning for coming out and restoring these floors back to their beautiful finish. You can just say it's 30 years of grease gone. Call it.